Hi there and welcome to Advancing Canadian English Skills, or ACES for short. My name is Rachel Springle and it is a pleasure to meet you today. Let me talk a little bit about how my channel can help you meet your English language learning goals. First, if you're looking for pronunciation instruction, this is the right place. I talk all about my vowels, consonants, stress, linking, all of the aspects of English pronunciation that are challenging. And you can find lots of different types of videos, from shorts addressing specific pronunciation issues to longer videos really diving deep into the differences between certain sounds and other things related to pronunciation. The second area of my channel is for the Occupational English Test. This is an exam for healthcare professionals who are planning to work in an English-speaking environment. For them, I have put together resources for preparing for all the different parts of the OET, and you can use these as well to help you as you study. So welcome to the ACES community. Please feel free to comment and like on any of the videos, and also subscribe and click that notification bell so you are updated as I continue to release the content. All the best on your pronunciation or your OET journey. I look forward to helping you as best I can.